T3 stands for Trident Tactical and Technical. They are headquartered at Naval Amphibious Base Coronado. Former Navy SEAL founded and operated, T3 remains immersed in the world of special warfare. The gear they offer is informed by many factors, including their involvement with the BUDS prep course, helping get young SEAL hopefuls physically ready for BUDS. You'll find a link to T3 below and at our website. We ordered the T3 MOLLE Assault Pack from their website. T3 manufactures their gear right here in America, and this pack is constructed from 500D Cordura. Dimensions are 9 inches wide by 18 inches tall and 7 inches deep. This pack comes with 2 padded straps, so you can use it as a traditional backpack, or carry it with just one strap as a sling pack, or you can attach it directly to your plate carrier. Compression straps so you can cinch your gear and minimize the pack. The stitching is straight and the rain flap extends to cover the entire zipper track. The Velcro field is 4x6. Inside the main compartment we have a mesh pocket for a hydration pack. A small retainer for your hydration hose, and 3 hose ports are available to exit the pack, top, left and right. The second compartment measures 9 inches wide by about 10 inches tall. Aside from the mesh hydration pocket, both compartments of this pack are free of tiny pockets and dividers, thankfully. I do think a Velcro field inside of each compartment would be a good addition. Both compartments of the pack have drain holes. The straps are well designed, with plenty of padding and a few PALS loops. For gear you want at your fingertips. T3 is building American-made gear with tough materials and excellent workmanship. When Sierra hits the fan, every single piece of gear you have must help you reliably shoot, move and communicate until the threats have passed. Whiskey 5 will get her hands on this pack next and report back. Until then, Whiskey 6 out.